Hello friends and followers. Well, here we have the signal 1 CX-11, and now I want to go through how to set the optional bands using the diode matrix. There's the diode matrix right about there, and so how does that work? Well, here's how it works. So you have these optional additional bands, okay, and they're called, like, say, A, B, C, and D dog. Okay, so you start at 1 megahertz and you go to 3. That has to be a 2. There's nothing else you can do with it, which is kind of dumb. They should have put a 2 in there. Okay, and this B band can be 4, 5, 6, 7. The numbers between 3 and 7 are 4, 5, and 6. So that can be 4, 5, and 6. Now the C band between, say, 7 and 14, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it can be 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12 or 13, okay? Now from 14 to 21, you could have a band here. So you can go 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what I would do here, for a ham radio at least, is set this to 3 because you might as well. Not sure what else to do with that one. Use it for listening. This one I would take to 5. Damn this phone. This one I would take to 5 just because there's a 5 megahertz band in the amateur radio band, and this one I would take to 10 because there is that 10 megahertz band. So this is what, 30 meters, 20, and then this one is going to be 17 meters, so that's going to be 18. So that's how I want to program this thing. And why wasn't it programmed like that before? I don't know, but let's get to work. Okay, now here's the diode matrix. And from a manual that a kind collector gave me, at least one page that covered the power supply board. This indeed is the power supply board on the bottom of the radio. And it's all mapped out with all the bands. Turn this thing off, right? It's all mapped out with all the bands. So it starts off with 1 and then A, which I'll make into 3, and then or 2, and then it goes into 3, which is going to be 80 meters, and B, which I'll make 5, and then it goes to 7. C, which is unassigned right now, I'll make it 10, 14. And you might ask, how does this work? So these diodes all assign weight or a number to each of these, and that number has to add up to the starting number of the band in which you're interested in, and these all go in 1 megahertz swaths. So for example, here's 29. So we know that 29 takes the 20 number because it's 29. So we start with 20, we say 20 plus, and then you better get 9 here. So 20. And how do we get 9 here? Let's see, that's 20. And we add a 10 would be 30. No, okay, 20. Let's see, 20, and they have the 8 installed here. That's going to be 28. And then they have, okay, and then a 1. Okay, yeah, so 20 plus 8 plus 1 is 29. That's how that comes across. Okay, the 28, which is 10 meters, that's upper 10 meters there. This is upper 10 meters here, and it's lower 10 meters there. So this would be the same thing without the 1, I would think. Let me think here. Yeah, so here's the 1. There's no 1 for that band, and there's a diode down there. So that's how that works. For 21, you're going to have just the 20 selected, and there's the 20 right there, the 20 selected, and you're going to have the 1. There's the 1. So that's 20 and 1 for 21. The D is not used yet. Okay, now for 20 meters, 14, you're going to have a 10 and a 4. So there's 10 right there. There's the 10. And the 4 is going to be here. And that's how you do 20 meters. For 40 meters, we're going to have what? We're not going to have a 10. We're not going to have a 20. So 7 would be a 4, a 5, 6, 7. So all these are selected. We're going to have 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is not used. Okay, and coming down to, what is this one here? This is going to be 80 meters. That starts off at a 3, so we're going to have a 1 and a 2, which is 3. Got it? And now finally for the first band, 160, it's just a 1, and there's nothing else to do here. Diode in for that, default, and we're done. So that's how to select this stuff. That's how to make this go. Now, if I wanted to put in, say, for D-dog, I want to put in 18. So I got to get something to equal 18. So I'd put a diode here at 10, and then I'd put in one at 8. That gives me 18. That would start at 18. That's how I'll do that one. This one, I want to do 10. That's easy. For number C, you just put a diode in here and you got 10. That's all you do. This one, I want to put in a 5 here. So which of these equal 5? You put one in 4, put one in 4, and put one in 1, you get 5, okay? This one, let's see, A is going to be 1, 2, 3. So you put a diode in here for 2 because you can only use 2. That's it. That's how to do it. So the next video, I'm going to put in diodes in here and try out this stuff and see if those bands work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.